I want to start off with something that I think a lot of you probably deal with too. Every morning before I can actually sit down and create anything, I have to wade through piles of tasks that have nothing to do with making videos. There are emails to sort through, research to do, information to track down, and by the time I have worked through all of that, I feel like I've already used up half of my energy before the real work even starts. So I've been looking for the tools that can actually help me with this. And that's what I want to tell you about today, because I think Opera Neon might genuinely be one of those tools. So what is Opera Neon? It's not another separate website. It's not an extension you have to install. It's your main navigator for everything, all in one place. It's an agentic browser, which is different from traditional browsers that act only as display engines for your clicks and your keystrokes. Instead, agentic browsers act like digital assistants, so they can navigate, read, and interact with websites on your behalf. It also gives you access to all of the latest premium AI models under one subscription, so you can switch between them depending on what you're working on, all without leaving your browser. Now, the company behind all of this is Opera, which has been making browsers for over 30 years. So this isn't a startup experiment. Neon is their take on what a browser should actually look like now that AI is part of how most of us work. And what that means in practice is that your browser can now actually do things for you. And I want to show you specifically what I mean, because the feature I want to focus on today is the one that surprised me the most. So that feature is called Neon Do. And I want to show you two examples of how it works, because I think that seeing it is the only way to really understand what makes it different. So here's the basic idea. Most of the time when you're doing something online, you're doing a sequence of steps. You open a site, you search for something, you compare a few options, you click through pages, and you fill something in. Now each step is simple, but together they take up a lot of time. Neon Do lets you describe the outcome you want, and then it carries out those steps for you, live in your actual browser. Normally, this means opening up a flight search site, putting in your dates and destinations, sorting through results, maybe opening a few tabs to compare prices, checking baggage fees, looking at layover times. Like, it's not hard, but it does take a while. And you end up with a lot of different open tabs. And this takes up a lot of time and space in your workflow. With Neon Do, I just described what I was looking for. I told it where I wanted to go, my travel dates, and that I wanted to compare a few options. And then I watched it do it. It opened the search, it worked through the results, and pulled together a comparison for me. And what I want you to notice is that this is happening in my live browser. It is not a simulation. It's using my real session the same way that I would do if I were doing it myself, just without me having to click through each step one at a time. Now, Neon Do acts independently, so your work in other tabs is never interrupted. So you can continue other tasks while Neon carries out the research for your flights. The second example is one that is very specific to my work, but I think it translates to anyone who regularly has to look for something before making a decision. Now, when I'm researching a product to talk about on this channel, I usually spend a lot of time bouncing between tabs. I'm looking at manufacturer specs, reviews, comparison articles, price checks. It takes a while to pull it all together into something useful. So I gave Neon Do a product research task. I told it what I was looking for and what I wanted to know, and it went and did the research. It moved through sources, it gathered what was relevant, and it gave me a summary I could actually use. Now, for me, this is genuinely useful on a weekly basis. And I think for anyone who does this kind of research before buying something or making an important decision, will see immediately how this can save you time. Now, I want to take a second to explain why this feels different from other AI tools, because I think it's easy to assume that this is just another chatbot. The difference is that Neon Do is working inside of your live browser session. That means that it's already logged into the sites that you use, and it can see the pages that you are on, and it can take actions the same way that you would. You're not copying and pasting into a separate tool and hoping for a useful answer. You stay in control the whole time. You decide what it can access and what it can do. Read-only access is on by default, and anything more active, like clicking or filling in forms, you can enable yourself if you want to. So it's not like you're handing your browser to someone else. It's more like having someone sitting next to you who can handle the repetitive parts while you focus on what actually needs your attention. Now, one thing I do want to mention that I actually think is worth paying attention to is how Opera is building Neon. They are doing it in the open, with a real community of people who are actively involved in shaping what it becomes. There's a Discord server where you can talk directly to the product team and the developers. It's not just to submit feedback into a void, but you can actually have conversations with the people who are building it. And the product team even jumps on calls with users. They also do feature drops with the community first, and they run a weekly event called the Thursday Happy Hour, where community members get access to discounted Neon subscriptions. So if you join early, you're not just a user. You are part of figuring out what this thing should actually do. So for anyone who ever wished a tool worked slightly differently, this is a real opportunity. I'll drop the link to the Discord in my description if you want to check it out. Now, if you want to try Opera Neon, it's available as a subscription for $20 a month. That gives you Neon Do, access to more than 15 AI models, and everything else inside the browser, all in one place rather than spread across a bunch of separate tools and subscriptions. There's a link in my description below, and you'll also find it pinned in the comments below. And if you do try it, I would really love to know what you end up using it for, so let me know in the comments. I read everyone. If you found this useful, let me know in the comments as well, and also subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.